Welcome aboard on the journey of Amrit Kaal. India's growth story has taken off. From a country with a per capita GDP of $1,590 in 2015 to $2,700 in 2024, a 70% growth within a decade. And better still, from a market cap of $1,628 billion in 2015 to $5,128 billion in 2024. Our high-frequency indicators and macro factors have been a thrust to the engine of India's growth. The World Bank in its report said that India's economy would remain strong despite subdued global growth. The record capital expenditure that we are witnessing is a testament that India is on its way to becoming a $30 trillion economy by 2047. And it isn't a distant dream anymore because we already crossed the $5 trillion market cap milestone. According to RBI data, India's capacity utilization is at 76.8, whereas India's PMI manufacturing index is nearing 60, a huge jump from the below 50 levels that it had touched in June 2020. This will also translate into India Inc. gearing up to match centre's capex. Listed corporate capex is estimated to grow to 10.227 trillion rupees in FY24 from a mere 4.743 trillion in FY15. This makes the capex cycle revival one of the key investment themes that you may consider on your journey. We would like to introduce you to the Kotak Infrastructure and Economic Reforms Fund that has generated a close to 42% growth in the last 1 year and a 28% CAGR in the last 5 years. This fund offers you an exciting opportunity to take part in the capex cycle revival. Now, what are the other investment themes that you may look at? First up is the consumption theme. India is among the fastest growing consumer markets. We have the highest working age population, and nuclearization of families is creating greater demand. You can also bite a piece of this pie by considering the Kotak Consumption Fund, which is an open-ended equity scheme that essentially follows the consumption theme. The fund has seen a close to 34% growth in the last 1 year versus the Nifty India Consumption Index TRI. Next is the technology and IT services theme. We believe that new technologies, that's digital, cloud, and Gen AI, are here to disrupt businesses and that could provide huge opportunities for Indian IT companies. In fact, 53% of India's services exports is from this sector alone. So you could then consider the Kotak Technology Fund, which has given returns of close to 35% just since its launch on 4th March 2024. You also wouldn't want to miss out on the growing penetration of financial services in the country. Savings are on the rise, and this, coupled with improving asset quality and capital adequacy ratios, makes the whole banking and financial services space compelling. Including the Kotak Banking and Financial Services funds to your portfolio can give you exposure to some marquee banking and NBFC companies. And last but not the least is the numerous healthcare opportunities. Healthcare spend per capita is most likely to rise with, of course, the increase in GPT per capita. The shifting geopolitical dynamics, the cost advantage, strong manufacturing, and the availability of skilled manpower is why India has become one of the most favored contract development and manufacturing organizations, or the CDMO destination. The Kotak Healthcare Fund has seen close to 42% returns since its inception, that's 11th December 2023, and is well suited for investors who are looking for long-term capital growth. But that's not it. You can also experience first-class comfort at an economy-class cost with the Kotak Multi-Asset Allocation Fund. This fund provides diversification across asset classes. The higher risk is adjusted against potential returns, and you may benefit from equity taxation and also enjoy the convenience of buying multiple assets with just one fund. But don't forget that while we are on this journey, we could also hit turbulence. Factors like geopolitical tensions and meeting expectations reflected in the premium valuations could alter the course. Therefore, consider mitigating these turbulences with the help of professionals. So fasten your seat belts and let Kotak Mutual Fund help your portfolio shine in 2025 as we navigate through Amrit Kaal. Happy New Year, happy investing.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.